Product Promotion. YQC series multi-purpose vegetable cutter is widely used in cutting and processing various roots, stem and leaf vegetables and kelps and bean products into various shapes such as slices, chunks, cubes, diamonds and curves. As the ideal equipment for processing vegetables, the machine is easy to operate with features of convenient maintenance and strong adaptabilities. The machine is mainly made up of racks, conveyors, pressing vegetable belt, blade structure, electrodeless governing box or corn pulley speed governing device. Inspection preparation. The machine shall be placed on the dry, ventilated, and horizontal ground before use in order to ensure that it is placed steadily and reliably. Examine each part of the machine, whether the switches and power lines are damaged or not during transportation before use. At the same time, corresponding measures should be taken in time. Examine whether there are foreign matters in the rotary charging barrel or conveyor. If there are, the foreign matters must be cleaned to avoid damaging the blades. Ensure the supply voltage matches with the nominal voltage of the machine. Find a professional electrician to connect the machine power line to the all-people disconnection long break distance power. Press the start button and conduct trial idling operation. The vegetables to be cut should be without silts or not mixed with foreign matters to avoid damaging the cutting edge of the blade. Operation and maintenance. YQC-QJ-1000 type. Install the blade. At first, rotate the adjustable eccentric gear to make the blade rest fall on the bottom dead center. Then lift the blade rest by 1 millimeters. If the lifted height of the blade rest is small, then the vegetables may be connected to the blade. If the lifted height of the blade rest is too large, then the conveyor may be damaged. After the vertical blade connects the conveyor, fasten the nut and tighten the vertical blade to the blade rest. Adjust the vegetable cutter, rotate the adjustable eccentric gear, loosen the fastening screw of the connecting rod. Thin threads can be cut out by moving the pivot from the edge to the center. Thick threads can be cut out by moving the pivot from the center to the edge. Fasten the adjusting screw after adjustment. The adjustment of slice thickness. Rotate the adjusting knob. The slices will be thick if the knob is rotated counterclockwise, and the slices will be thin if the knob is rotated clockwise. Adjust the speed of vegetables cutter. At first demount the expanding gear that fastened the triangular belt, and then adjust the triangular belt. If the gap bridge axle belt pulley truckle matches with the front cone pulley ball wheel, the speed is low. If the gap bridge axle belt ball wheel matches with the front cone pulley truckle, the speed is high. The user can adjust the triangular belt to the needed position of ball wheel and truckle according to his own requirement and then fasten the expanding gear. Adjust the machine according to the specification, and then turn on the switch. Put the clean potatoes into the charging bucket, and the cut well potato slices will automatically fall on the conveyor. Then the strips or slices with needed specification will be cut out through the front blade. Put the clean celery on the conveyor, and then the conveyor moves forward. The sections with needed specification can be cut after passing the front blade. Replace the blade to cut out the dices or curves with needed specification. Clean carefully the machine after each use, and sharp instrument will not be allowed to connect the conveyor or pressing vegetables belt during cleaning. Spraying with spray pipe is not allowed. Examine the tightness degree and wearing conditions of the triangular belt and adjustment and replacement if the triangular belt becomes flexible. Loosen expanding device bolt for adjustment to make the triangular belt expanded and then fasten the bolt. Refill the ratchet, gear, and chain wheel per shift and truce number 20 engine oil. The amount of each refilling is 10 drops. During operation, if the machine sound is not normal, stop the machine immediately and conduct the examination. After troubleshooting, then the machine can continue to work. YQC-Q1000 type. Speed adjustment of vegetable cutter. If the machine is on operation, the cutting speed becomes fast by adjusting clockwise, and the cutting speed becomes slow by adjusting anti-clockwise. If the conveyor and pressing vegetables become slippery, adjust expanding bolt or spring pressure to proper position until the tension or pressure of both ends is basically equal. Or else the conveyor of pressing vegetables belt will be off tracking.